In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add a YouTube video to our website. The first thing we need to do is go over to YouTube and select a video. We'll use the Russian meteor explosion video as an example. Let's scroll down, click on Share, click Embed, and then we can choose the video size that we would like. Right now I have it set to 500 pixels wide by 281 pixels high. You can also choose any of these defaults. Once you choose your video size, you can click on the code, press Ctrl+C, and then we can go back over to WebEasy. Now that we have our YouTube video code, we'll need to insert it into our page. To do that, we'll go up to Insert and Modify, click on the lower half of the object icon, and select HTML code fragment. This opens the Custom Script Assistant. All we need to do now is make sure that we click inside the box and press Ctrl+V to paste in the YouTube code. Now we can click OK and click anywhere on the workspace to insert it. Scroll down so we can see it better. Now that the YouTube code has been added to our page, we need to make sure that the HTML code fragment box is the same size as the video. This can be done by opening the Inspector tool and double-clicking on the value column next to Dimensions. We'll need to make sure that Keep Aspect Ratio is not checked, and then we'll type in the dimensions that we had on YouTube, which was 500 by 281. Let's click OK to save the changes, and then we'll quickly align the video with the top bar. We'll go up to Layout, click on the lower half of the Fit icon, and choose Horizontal Centering. At this point, we can preview our page. And as you can see, the Russian meteor explosion video has been added. Now we can click play just to test it out.
10-ton meteor slammed into Russia last night. How big?
And that's it. It's just that easy to add a YouTube video using WebEasy Professional. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.